Easybit. Now, good evening and welcome on top of the night show for today. My name is Nanedu Anaskov, me, Katim, and Easybit. We not the smile today. We not the smile at all, at all.
No.
In fact, vex they my body, vex they everybody body. Today. Oh.
Lead us where.
We go back small chicken break when we come back, Sha. We go talk how you take be us for body for today's show.
And it depends on how you take do us for body. Then that's how we will know what when I go call in to tell us today.
Because what in the happen for when they come back, still on top of the night show, easy. Anyway, welcome back on top of the night show. My name is Nanedu Anaskov. All in fact, forget whether you know our name or not today.
No,
doesn't matter.
whether you know our name today is not. If
today we dey vex.
Yes.
If we not talk how things go better, we don't put them on top Twitter. Our phone numbers don't on top your TV now. Make una begin the call us. Waiting be that thing where they vex you about Nigeria
now.
You
know the kind of thing when you come back from work, you drop your portmanteau on top chair. You go just begin enter. Imagine, can you believe what happened to me today?
You understand?
You won't believe. How dare he? How dare they? Today
waiting be that thing. Just call vex. Waiting be that thing where they vex you about this country. To even start with, how it take be? My own today. I go by as I come back. I go Aja. I dey come. I never give you gist.
No, you know just.
I dey come back. I say, okay, make I stop by that filling station where they by VGC roundabout.
That filling station.
That filling. Yes, they said no, they always get fuel. Not being I can't join queue because the queue passed the roundabout from the other side. I can't join the queue. So as they move now, car where they road where they go on their own. As they move where people they move from. Now so the car can do. Phew, just drive enter. Car where they road, they move going on. Once it doesn't space, they just drive, enter.
Yes. Yes.
Meanwhile, people when they queue. I just come down, I go meet them. I say, Oga, you enter this queue now. Ask yourself, what do you do? Is it okay? If your children ask you now, say, Daddy, what happened today? You go proud, then they say, I jump queue.
I jump queue. You go say, hey, God made a way for me, oh my children. You can't believe it. Help me praise or thank the Lord. Help me thank God. Say I was going. Suddenly I saw a space where you enter to buy fuel and I bought the fuel.
Meanwhile, people they back.
Say, I hope you beg the person. Say, no, I waved him. I told him not to be annoying. You don't know that's the story.
Not only him, as you just enter, he not to take again. One guy just enter front. I couldn't wonder. Say, but wait, people where they queue. We be mumu. We don't know what thing they do for queue.
No, you know, say, for you to know the wickedness.
Why would not we do things right for this country?
If you want to know the wickedness of the Nigerian, drive for road.
Nigerians, but see,
drive for road. Do like say, do that thing where they do tolo, that yellow light. Just do like say you want to enter somewhere. Mahaba say, Jacob, see me
you don't go wait.
You go see motor coming from far.
May we talk through, May we talk through. Forget, say we dey TV. We not our own for here, damn. Nigeria, some people wicked for this country.
They are afraid what they are wicked. The thing where they vex people and say every Sunday everybody will carry their hand.
Everybody go church. They love me, worship you, Lord. Meanwhile, people wicked for this country. For example, as Katim TikTok. Imagine say you dey queue. Okay, you dey lane for road, you dey drive go. Now you won't go enter another lane. The traffic gate, the traffic gate to enter. Now at that time you go see somebody from back. They run. They not gonna allow you pass.
He handed that horn. You said good. If you say, what is the problem? You could just come drive, enter where you.
You go drive, enter. So sometimes I could wonder, but wait, if you allow me pass. Now say if I pass, I go scatter the road where they behind you, or you go die.
Or you no go ever pass again.
Or you no go pass again. Not be if I pass you, you just there, I just there your front. You still there my back. If I pass, you go reach house where you they go.
No.
Why we not feel they nice? To start with, forget about corruption, whether corruption in this country or not. If you want video when you send it on top Instagram now, where the camera on top waiting talk about corruption. Forget about corruption first of all. Why we not feel they nice to ourselves, our own self?
No.
Why we not Nigerians? Why we not feel they nice to ourselves?
It just be like
why?
That question be like person where I say why if person tell you something good say they happen. Oh, hey, help me thank God. Or say 3 companies don't sign me or they don't. In fact, say hey, my life done better now. You say congratulations.
But you don't reach your mind.
Give me 5.
You know for see how you think they happen as easy be this so now. Easy bit fears come need to see you.
I don't buy new motor.
I don't buy new motor.
I don't enter new house.
Wait, I don't buy new motor. I don't buy new motor now, man. If you see the motor what I buy, Range Rover Sport, which I believe God now. Now say man, you buy my house. Now, the person go tell you say, congrats, I wish you well.
Yes.
But they wish you well, but they hope say you not reach that thing where they say they tell you.
Yes.
Average Nigeria not gonna want to make you do the same level with them. So you can't do the same level with me. You can't carry show that they do with me.
Then meanwhile all of us go carry. That's and those saying Jarakan. Every Sunday for the way that you enter your motor, you wear your clothes and be drawing the clothes.
The one with the even annoying me. I go talk him. So most times, okay, see one day, I dey drive come up from Chevron. I go feel no house that day. I dey come out. Now so police just drive, follow me for back. Ping, park. I couldn't wonder. I just parked. As I park, now so the guy go come down from car gun, car, calm down.
You could have wondered.
Wait, I just calm down. I dey look am. The other one call open door. The other one call go to the other side. Calm down. I said just sit down. Guy call open door. I say open door. Just carry my ID card. Give her. Sir, Nedu, now you find something for us. I say, Oga.
So all the drama.
So you mean say all this thing where you do?
Now find something.
Now make I find something for you.
Come and collect it now.
Good evening, Biko.
My brother Nedu, I can feel your pain.
You don't know how this thing they pay me. Sometimes they make me cry for this country.
You know pain you reach waiting they pay me now. On Saturday I go buy tomato. Tomato now 400-500 naira.
Madam, God bless you.
Naya, wait. Me, I buy my own 3,500. 3. It has
3,500.
Efe on Saturday go buy tomato. 100 naira. 100 naira.
3,500.
After that, I came to the filling station to buy fuel. They said I should come with my generator. I carried the generator straight to the filling station. Guess what? After all these things, these people were busy selling for people that are having fuel tank. Instead of them to sell for us who are in the queue with the whole generator.
You understand? So where would they go?
It's not good.
It's not good.
My dear sister.
It's not good. Now when they do ourselves, they kill ourselves.
We are the ones that we are among those people that are paining ourselves. We are causing pains for ourselves. Instead of us to coordinate ourselves, let us sympathize with each other. And let everything be better. But we are making things worse. In fact, somebody matched somebody today at the bus stop. Guess what the person say? Say, you know how much I can wash this clothes? Say, today, say you must wash this clothes. You must go see my dry cleaner. Now, Jackie level.
Now, lie.
Now, Jackie level. Not be small thing for this. Even people where they declare, madam, I beg now. Everybody does the beggar. Now, so this woman, they from Gisbon, she jack that man. Jack him up like this. The thing not give me, I laugh, I can't say, not be their fault. Now this sack full everywhere.
Hey, I'm also country. People blood, they all anyhow.
Everything.
Naya, thank you very much. I beg. Good night.
Naya, God bless you. This is
My own be say everybody. Don't worry. Before the end, we'll go talk. Naya, thank you very much.
This is when I talk so.
Hello, who on the line? I bet your TV they too loud. Now, enjoy what we talk for this country.
Thank you.
Enjoy what we talk. We go tell una before una call, reduce your TV volume. Una join. Oh.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Nedu.
Yes. Good evening.
No, Sister Katie.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes. Talk what they vex you.
This is my first time calling.
No check for anybody today. Vex there everybody, but they talk.
See, I like the thing what they do. First thing I want to be saying, as soon as they ask us this question, we go to say our mind. Waiting the government, they do after the question when on ask, we turn on our mind finish.
Shut up your mind first.
Okorafo. Shebi you be Igbo. Igbo could talk say, if left hand wash right hand go wash left hand. Now me and you, now go be the change when it be say the happen for this country.
Yes, sir.
We're not going to expect make somebody sit down for somewhere say he go do the change.
Okay.
We go change on our own first of all. If we not talk to ourselves, how we go take do things right?
If you no give chance for person for road.
If they want to make a president to come change things, how you want to change them? So first of all, we go talk to ourselves, advise our own self. Make we change first. Make we they wait whether they go change or not.
Me are the change.
Waiting they vex you now. Waiting they vex
me now. Now this is what they do. When they say herdsmen. When they happen for every year now, they don't take Boko Haram content to herdsmen. People they die. This is they vex me. They vex me well. Nice to see what I tell on. It vex me well. Let government do something.
Thank you.
No, they don't understand that herdsmen. Not the herdsmen. No, na Boko Haram.
Ngwanina, thank you very much, Okorafo.
Wow.
Hello, who on the line?
Okafor.
Okafor, good evening.
Good evening, Medu. How are you?
I did fine. Okafor, talk what's in the vex you.
Say.
I don't know where I go start to.
My brother.
Start somewhere.
Anywhere.
What did they vex me now? Police.
Okay.
If they talk about say what happened for you and for Chevron.
Yes.
Try come or job. Between Barras and the Barras police station opposite Ojo Cantonment and Ojo police station.
Yes.
Zenith Bank better pass them. The way they pay money inside those two banks, you go mark for say this is a police station. They didn't do anything about what do you have for them. Try do a little investigation. They are the worst police station you can think of in Nigeria.
Ojo.
Ojo.
Ojo Barras opposite Cantonment.
Okay.
And Ojo police station. If you are going to Alaba, the two police stations are the worst. They don't do anything apart from give me. Yeah, you have not seen it. You are talking of VDC. You will see better police. But there, even if they are 30 there, 10 are rape policemen. Others are just wearing uniform. And because they are one tribe, Benue, go there, make your investigation. Try to put surveillance on those two places. You will see what I'm saying. They are always on the road. Nobody inside their station. And once they hear any bigger gun, they will run away. Once they hear any side, it's a serious issue. Try to investigate, my brother.
No, Wahala, Okafor, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Jeff from Holland, good evening.
If we carry camera, go place.
Hello, good evening,
my brother. I beg, talk how they do you for, but even if say na Holland, you day.
My brother. No, nah, you know, as a last talk, it happens to all of us every year, man. We have to all over the world, you know, not only Nigeria.
Jeff, make I even ask you, Seth. How long you don't live for Holland?
Yeah. Almost 20 years.
Why you not live for Nigeria? Give us reason why you not live for Nigeria.
Why I not live for Nigeria?
Yes.
First of all, you know, security, very important.
Number one.
Because that one might be the first key to most everything. If you don't live for here long, you know, say security. Once everybody don't be secure, not better part, you know, that's very hard for us to get. But when they tell me for body, they say, you know, after a long time, I don't think over and over again, we as black people, we got to know ourselves.
Simple.
That unity, very nice to mix.
Would they hear you, Jeff?
Hey.
Hello?
You understand? Even for America, even if you see black, now they keep black. If we not unite, it can't be. You have to know your brother. Say, this one is my brother.
Yes.
That's why, many things they say person, history, no matter of history too, where we don't come from since the colonial time, everything went up Dabadu, that's how we come be. But what I think, we have to revise them.
You understand? We guys go back to the original how it's supposed to be. No, Oga Jeff, thank you very much, my brother. No, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mama Mary, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
I did why you
Hi, your network.
Where's your call from?
Hi, your network. We don't need to hear what you they talk.
Okay,
Oh yeah, now talk.
They break.
They break.
Okay, but I want to say that next one, they break the NEPA. We not pay like those.
Light, Abby.
Now, NEPA is just you.
Okay.
I'll give area. But I won't know get like.
Okay. Okay. Oh, no, Wala, Mama Mary, thank you very much. Thank you very much. You see, what in Oga Jeff talk, it see boys down to what I talk. Now, as I talk about Chevron own, that's what they say, pack. I just showed them my ID card. Oga they do, now you, we they like una for radio. How this one? Let me ask of you. How Katim, we they try. You see,
So, no, after all that hailing, so that my brother do something for your brothers, now do something for your guys.
I'm the person who they carry cash. I know they carry cash. Now, me, if I know the cash person. If I won't collect money.
No, what's in the cash person? They will escort you to the ATM. So
That's the funny thing. I know they use ATM.
Don't give them something from your motor.
I know they use ATM.
There are some parking motor. No,
my toll gate, I know how to they pay my toll gate.
Remember,
I know they use ATM.
How you come and how do you pay your?
I don't already pay already now. So I just they pass. I just they pass. I know they use money so they pay for toll gate.
But you find something.
I know the cash person.
Either you give them your body parts,
good evening.
or you give them your shoe or your watch
Robin.
or something.
Yeah,
your TV they too loud. I beg. Mokuna they reduce TV volume for na call now.
My TV not that loud. No, my TV not that loud anything.
Your thing not that loud. I said TV, not the thing.
My TV not that loud.
Oh yeah, now Robin, would they hear you talk your mind that it debut you for body?
Okay, the truth is that our government is bad. When the father don't tell lies to his children, how you think it will be?
Our government is nice.
They understand now. They will talk, they will promise, they will do it. In fact, there should be no election in this country because we don't know, say, going to the government is purely having to make money. You pay them salary, you pay federal government, you pay senators money, and you say now you vote them, go there, and nothing what they will do. They will promise you, they not will do them. Now, in the advent of people are suffering, no fuel, no money, no light, senators, they go buy cars. Now, when you want to talk, they will say, blame the past government. And when they come, they say they won't correct the past party. Why are they now comparing themselves with the past government? So to find their head and show us the things they say they want to do, all the promises they said during the campaign. I don't know if you understand.
Anyway, Robin, we don't hear.
Listen, they have a thing before they do anything. Just today, I was reading the newspaper saying they would check vehicles because they want back to put on tires. So they would check the date, manufacturing date, and they don't give power to FRC to arrest. What provision have they made to make new tire?
For tire now?
For the poor man.
So they don't I don't know. Maybe they want me to buy made in Nigeria tire.
Do you even have factory in Nigeria? That's the thing.
You know how much the brand new tire?
You know how much brand new tire?
Brand new tire. You know how much it be?
My tire, now 50. Anyway, Robin, thank you very much. Thank you, sir. You call. God bless you. Go back to more chicken break for you. When we come back, we'll continue still on top of the night show. Will they come back?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.